Welcome back to Caring Guy. Today, we're taking a deep look at the MOVESPEED S80 Power Bank, a true powerhouse designed for people who need serious battery capacity and extreme fast charging. Whether you're traveling, camping, filming outdoors, or powering laptops, drones, and cameras. The MOVESPEED S80 comes with a massive 80,000 milliamp hour battery, delivering an incredible 296 watt-hours of energy. This means you can charge your smartphone dozens of times, power laptops multiple times, and keep cameras, drones, and other gear running for days without worrying about finding an outlet. What really sets this power bank apart is its 130-watt total fast charging output. With dual USB-C ports supporting up to 100-watt output, the S80 can comfortably fast-charge demanding devices like MacBooks, Windows laptops, tablets, and professional equipment, while still charging phones and accessories at the same time. You get 5 charging ports in total, 2 USB-C and 3 USB-A ports, making it easy to power multiple devices simultaneously. Whether you're charging a laptop, phone, drone battery, and camera all at once, the MOVESPEED S80 handles it without slowing down. For outdoor and emergency use, the RGB breathing light adds both style and practicality, giving you visibility at night or during power outages. The rugged design and high-capacity lithium polymer battery make this power bank ideal for camping, road trips, outdoor work, and professional field use. Despite its huge power, MOVESPEED focuses on safety and efficiency, supporting PD fast charging protocols and intelligent power distribution to protect your devices while charging at maximum speed. If you're looking for a high-capacity, high-output power bank that can replace multiple chargers and keep all your devices alive anywhere, the MOVESPEED S80 is built exactly for that purpose. If you found this review helpful, don't forget to like the video, subscribe to Caring Guy, and share it with anyone who needs reliable, portable power on the go.